I'm moving to Australia next week, so let's pack my carry-on bag together. It's gonna be just my carry-on, and I'm already having slight issues with it because with Qantas, your carry-on internationally can't be more than 7 kilograms. Let me show you how much. You see that? What is 9 kilograms? So I'm already 2 over, and on some of the airlines, it's your personal item and your carry-on together, 7 kilograms. What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Let's go ahead and get into my carry-on. This is the Embark travel backpack. I think this is 45 liters, and I absolutely love this bag. This is what I use to travel all throughout Europe. This is my classic carry-on bag. This is what fits in the overhead compartment for all the flights that I've ever been on, including Ryanair and EasyJet. It opens like a suitcase. That is my favorite part about it. I'm just gonna go section by section, piece by piece, and go over what's in each section. I've never been to college, so I got some transcripts from my high school. I have been out of high school for 11 years now, so I will in fact be holding on to these just in case. Here, I went to go get dental work done for the first time in 4 years, 3 or 4 years. I have like the different things that they told me I should do. Like my visa in here, a copy of my birth certificate, a copy of my social security card, a copy of my passport. I do have quite a few resumes because I'm planning on walking around just handing out resumes. Honestly, back here, it's literally just papers. I'm gonna go through the outside pouches that I have. This little outside pocket right here, I have my first aid kit and then also my glasses section that I have. So in here, I have a couple of different things. I first off have little containers for when I meal prep food. This for when I make coffee at hostels. And then I have some little utensils and my jewelry. So that's everything for the outside pouches. And now to go into the thick of it. This is what it looks like when you open up the entire luggage. I have a ton of like liquid IVs, a couple of like coffee things, and then some energy drinks, laundry bag. And then I have like my flip-flops for the hostel and then my running shoes. This is my next pouch right here. Sun hat, my knee brace, a poncho, and anti-chafing things for my leg. My backpack that I usually take when I'm hiking, a mosquito net, a umbrella, and that's all I have in this pocket. And then this side over here, I have my air tag that my friend gave me. And I just have 2 packing cubes. So I have my pajamas packing cube, fitness bottoms packing cube, which I actually want to go through as well. A microfiber towel. I have 1, 2, 3 pairs of shorts, 3 pairs of underwear specifically for pajamas, 1 pair of fuzzy socks, 3 t-shirts, and 1 tank top. These are all of my fitness bottoms. So let's go through this one and see how many we have in here. So for fitness bottoms, this is both for hiking and just for regularly working out. I have 1 fitness dress. I have 2 pairs of yoga socks. I have 3 pairs of like running / walking shorts. I have 4 pairs of leggings. 2 are bell bottom and 2 are straight leg. 1 pair of hiking shorts and then 4 pairs of hiking pants. The really great thing is that at least for my flight from Phoenix to LAX with Delta, that is perfectly fine. It is within the parameters of the carry-on sizing. And then Delta does not have a weight limit, or at least if they do, they've literally never enforced it. It is overweight, but there's literally nothing I can do about it. A girl's moving across the country. I've never really had to worry about weight limits because I don't check bags. Stick around for all the different videos that I'm gonna have about my entire adventure throughout Australia. So stay tuned. Bye.